Fire. What is fire? What are the constituents present in fire? What makes the flame so hot? How the fires emit photons? These all are the most interesting question to answer, because fire is not form of matter and it is a form of a chemical reaction. So how this chemical reaction results in light, heat, flame, etc. So guys, be in this video till end and you will surely get much interesting knowledge and facts. So let's get started. Fire is not a form of matter. It is a chemical reaction. Actually, fire is not made up of any actual material, but instead it is the result of millions of chemical reactions. Fire is generated due to heating process. The flames are produced only at a certain ignition point. These flames of fires primarily consist of a carbon dioxide, water vapor, oxygen and nitrogen, which are mostly gases. Fire is a type of a chemical reaction between two matters and oxygen. There are four constituents of fire. First is fuel, second is gas, third is heat, and fourth is light. Fuel is any material that can be made to react with other substance so that it releases energy in the form of fire. For example, if you are considering wood as a fuel, then if you are burning a piece of wood, then the component of wood, which consists of a bonds of carbon, oxygen and hydrogen, starts vibrating, and due to heat the bonds tends to break, and this will release the energy in the form of fire. So this shows the process called as pyrolysis. So pyrolysis generated heat, and due to the heat the fire exists. Second component is the gas. So gas is dependent on the fuel. It varies as the temperature or intensity of gas varies. For example, red flame, blue flame, orange flame and white flame. So they all varies due to the temperature level. Red flame shows the temperature about 525 degrees Celsius to 1000 degrees Celsius heat. Pure orange color heat is about 1000 degrees Celsius to 1500 degrees Celsius, and white flames shows the heat of about 2000 degrees Celsius. And finally, the most evolved and finally the highest temperature is in the blue flame, which is about 3000 degrees Celsius. So third component is the light. So how light is produced due to fire? So I had told you that the fire breaks the bonds present in the fuel, and this broken bonds converts into simpler atoms and molecule, and this atom tends to move in upward direction due to gravity. As the gases move in upward direction, you can notice that the flames in the candles are always in the upward direction. So the molecules which move in upward direction in the flame produce the light and photons, which can be observed through any burning object. So due to the presence of simpler atoms, due to the breaking of bonds, due to the chemical reaction, the light is produced in the fire. Fourth component is the heat. Why heat is produced due to fire? Fire is the result of millions, billions of chemical reaction between atoms and molecules in the flame. So you know that whenever there is a chemical reaction, there will be emission of heat and energy. So this is obvious that the energy will surely emit in large amount, and due to the emission of energy, the flame of fire is very hot and it is in a very high temperature. So I hope you had understand what the fire actually means. So whenever you see any burning object, you should understand that it is a type of a gas and chemical reaction between the matter and oxygen, and due to this reaction photons are released in the form of light and energy is released in the form of heat. So this is my video, and if you enjoy this video, please give thumbs up to this video and also subscribe this channel, and also share this video with your curious friends. So meet you in the next video. Until goodbye and take care.